brace yourselves. Because this is the awarding of our major awards. Our fourth runner-up is candidate number. Congratulations, candidate number. Sino? Congratulations, candidate number 3. Our next major award is our third runner-up. To our third runner-up, to our fourth runner-up is the same design. Our third runner-up, before I announce it, may I call in the presenters of the award, Ms. Letty Gonzalian Pedroso for the sash, SK Kagawan Dorline Rendon for the cash, and for the certificate, Mrs. Chaplain Subnatolay. Our third runner-up. Congratulations, candidate number. Sino po ang pwede mo ang third runner-up? Congratulations, candidate number. Candidate number. Candidate number 10. Kaya sa inyo Tulado 2024 yung may pinakamalaking muscle ba Kulado 2024. Ako na po tatawagin. So, automatically, the remaining candidate will be our first runner-up. And for any reason, that the Miss Kulado 2024 cannot perform her duty, the first runner-up will take over. Good luck to you both. Our Miss Kulado 2024 is candidate number. Sino? Congratulations, Miss Kulado 2024. Before that, the presenters of the award for the first runner-up for the sash, Miss Kathleen Delay, for the bouquet, Miss Risha May Bumolan, for the cash, John Lloyd Idalion, and for the certificate, SK Kagawad, Darlene Rendon. And for our Miss Kulado 2024, for the sash, Dr. Mark Lozano, for the bouquet, SK Chairman R.D. Valencia, for the cash, Punong Barangay Deep Deslao, and for the certificate, Miss Katrina Bautista. So, once na natawag ko po ang ating Miss Kulado 2024, please step backward dahil ang una po nating award na ang ating first runner-up before you as our queen, Miss Kulado 2024. Our Miss Kulado 2024 is candidate number. Isigaw nyo. Ha? 11? 11? Congratulations, candidate number Miss Kulado 2024. Congratulations, candidate number 9. Our first runner-up is candidate number 7. Congratulations to our dear winners. Ayusin nyo. Ayusin nyo. Hindi na kanya alam yung ayan. Ladies and gentlemen, your first runner-up, candidate number 7. And your Miss Kulado 2024, candidate number 9. Take your first run as Miss Kulado. Congratulations. Once again, congratulations po sa lahat ng ating mga kandidata, especially to our top 5. Top 5 natin. Maraming salamat for participating this kind of event na sana tuloy-tuloy niyo pa ang mga invitation natin. Ayan. Mga invitation, sumali kayo. Once again, congratulations po sa ating mga winners. So, I think it's kind of late. Maraming salamat po to our dear barangay officials. Thank you also to our dear SK officials headed by